The fastest way to grow on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram right now is simple. You need consistent short-form content, but editing shorts manually takes hours. In this tutorial, I'm showing you how to automate the entire workflow using Vizard, including signing up, generating viral clips, auto-scheduling them, and using the new calendar system so your channels stay active every day without extra effort. Vizard is one of the easiest AI tools for turning long videos into viral-ready clips within minutes. Whether you're a beginner or a busy creator, Vizard handles everything automatically. In this step-by-step video, upload your first video, create clips using one-click viral shorts, enable auto-scheduling, view your full posting calendar, edit your clips, export them. By the end, you'll have a fully automated content engine ready to grow your audience. Sign up and dashboard walkthrough. To get started, go to vizard.ai. On the homepage, click the Sign Up button. You can create an account using Google, Apple, or a standard email address. Once your account is created, Vizard will take you directly to your dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see key sections: Clips, Calendar, Templates, Editor, Brand Kit, Settings. We'll mainly focus on Clips, Calendar, and the one-click viral shorts workflow. Starting a new project. To create your first short-form video, click Create New Project from the top right or select one-click viral shorts from your dashboard. This will open the upload screen. You can upload your long-form content by dragging a file from your computer or pasting a video link from YouTube, Google Drive, Zoom, or any other supported platform. Using one-click viral shorts. This is the simplest and fastest way to generate viral clips. Paste your video link or upload your file. Once the video preview loads, you'll see several options. The most important one is the Auto Schedule and Post toggle. Turn this on. Turning on Auto Schedule allows Vizard to automatically post your clips to TikTok at optimized times. This also fills your posting calendar instantly, so you don't have to plan manually. After enabling Auto Schedule, click Generate Viral Shorts. Vizard will analyze your video, detect the best performing moments, apply captions, select a template, and prepare your clips. This usually takes just a few minutes. Viewing generated clips. When processing is complete, your clips will appear on the screen in order of viral potential. Each clip is fully captioned, framed, and ready for posting. You can play each clip to review it. Behind the scenes, because Auto Schedule was enabled, Vizard has already assigned posting times for your clips. Using the calendar. Now open the Calendar tab from the left side of the dashboard. This is where all scheduled posts appear in a clean visual layout. You can see which clips are set to post on which days, along with the exact posting time. You can drag clips to reschedule them, change the posting time, adjust which clips auto-post, or manually add your own content. This calendar makes it incredibly easy to keep your channel consistent. A single long-form video can fill your entire week of short-form content automatically. Optional workflow. Clip it your way and Spark 1.0. If you need more control, Vizard also offers two advanced tools. Clip it your way lets you manually select timestamps. This is ideal if you prefer precision or want specific moments. Spark 1.0 Beta uses a more detailed AI approach to find key sections, topics, and structured highlights. Both tools give you deeper customization, but one-click viral shorts remains the fastest option for daily posting. Using the editor. If you want to adjust a clip, click Edit Clip. Inside the editor, you can change templates, modify captions, adjust text style or fonts, reframe speakers, add headlines, add your brand logo, use custom templates, trim unwanted sections. This editor is simple and efficient, making your shorts look cleaner and more professional. Exporting or downloading. If you need the file for manual posting or for other platforms, click Export. You can download your clip in MP4 or use Vizard's built-in share options to send videos directly to YouTube Shorts, Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. If auto posting is turned on, you don't need to export. Vizard handles posting for you. Pricing. Vizard offers a free plan, allowing you to test the tool with limited upload minutes. For creators who post consistently, the Creator Plan gives more upload minutes, auto-posting, higher resolution exports, and advanced tools. Compared to alternative tools, Vizard offers strong value, especially because of the new auto-scheduling and calendar system. Idea to Video Create. Vizard also includes a feature called Idea to Video Create, designed for moments when you don't have any footage, but you still want to produce a complete video. This workflow is simple. After selecting Create, you'll see a text box where you can type an idea, a short script, or even a single sentence. Vizard reads your input and automatically builds a multi-scene video draft for you. To generate the video, Vizard fills the timeline with relevant stock clips, adds subtitles, and can also generate an AI voiceover if you choose. You can customize any part of the video, including replacing scenes with your own images or footage, changing fonts and caption styles, and adjusting the aspect ratio for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and more. This consistency increases views, increases engagement, and grows your channel faster without extra workload. If you want to try Vizard, the link is available in the description. You can start for free and upgrade anytime. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.